Number 9, the ray QS is the angle bisector of the angle PQR. Find the two angle measurements not given in the diagram. Let me look for the angle bisector. First of all, it should be this piece right here. That is bisecting it. Creates two equal pieces. The first angle is here. The second angle is here. All right, these two angles have to be the same measure, so this one has to be 91 degrees. So we can say angle PQS is 91 degrees. Then we know that the other one here is SQR. We know that also is 91. Those are your two pieces. And the bigger angle would be both of them together. And that is angle PQR, which is going to be 91 plus 91. And you can say that is the value of 182 degrees. Let's look at B. We know that this angle here is 80. And then we know that the ray of QS is a bisector. So this piece also has to be congruent. So this is also going to be 80 degrees. So the first two angles of PQS is equal to 80 degrees. And then we have SQR was equal to 80 degrees. Then the entire thing here of PQR. So PQR is equal to 80 plus 80, which is 160 degrees.